Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very glad to meet you here again. I'm Maria, tutor of Russian as a foreign language, and today I let you know how to divide perfective aspect and imperfective aspect in Russian language. Let's start. Already started studying Russian language, you might know that we have the category of aspects in Russian language. The abbreviation of this, I think, СВ and НСВ. That means совершенный вид и несовершенный вид. The category of the aspects is very important in Russian language because we have only three terms, past, present and future. We don't have perfect tenses in Russian language as in English, for example. That's why we need to show the actions which is already done, which is past. We divide all verbs in Russian on perfective aspect and imperfective aspect. Perfective aspect, it's almost the same as in English, all perfect tenses. So present perfect, past perfect, so this is the equivalent in Russian is aspect, perfective aspect, okay? In Russian we translate perfective aspect as совершенный вид and abbreviation СВ. All verbs have attitude to imperfective aspect. We have the abbreviation НСВ. In Russian it calls несовершенный вид. For example, I give you now the pair of verbs of imperfective and perfective aspect, and you will see what's the difference. To the verbs of perfective aspect, we always add some prefix. To write, писать, написать. To speak, говорить, сказать. To decide, решать, решить. To know, знать, узнать. I gave you these four examples of verbs of each aspect, and you already noticed that some words have different prefixes or some words have completely different form. So all these verbs all these pairs of verbs you need to learn. Of course, how to learn? Not just to study, you need to do a lot of exercises to practice. And let's talk about imperfective aspect and perfective aspect separate. First, we take imperfective aspect. All verbs of imperfective aspect answer the question что делать. For example, we want to say that the action was in the past. Ты читал этот роман? Да, читал. A repeated action in the past or in present we also use an imperfective aspect. For example, я часто гуляю в саду. If the action takes place constantly, you also use imperfective aspect. Солнце всходит на востоке, а заходит на западе. And the last, continuous actions. For example, вчера я весь день читала книгу. Now let's talk about verbs of the perfective aspect. All verbs of the perfective aspect answer the question что сделать. For example, when the action is over. Ты уже сделал эту работу? Да, сделал. When the result of the actions is very important for us. For example, вы решили эту проблему? Да, решили. And the last, when the action took place in the past and already done for the moment. For example, вчера я купила пальто. Now let's take the example with the pair of imperfective aspect and perfective aspect. For example, the verb to write. Вчера я писала письмо другу. Imperfective aspect. Сегодня я написала письмо другу и отправила его. This the verb in perfective aspect. The action is already over and you send this letter to your friend. I hope that I helped you a little bit with dividing of aspects in Russian language. If you started studying Russian language, you now know the category of aspects. If you already know or learn Russian, so I hope this video was useful for you and you repeat today this topic. I hope this video was interesting for you and see you in my next videos. Bye!